Alright, with the title of this video, you already know what this is for, man. If y'all are used to the other camera I film on, that was my sister's. And I don't have it anymore, so the iPhone's gonna have to do. But anyways, this is me trying to get a PlayStation 5, man. As we can see, the battle station, we got the both monitors, man. I'm on a website called nowinstock.net. I'm on the Canadian version because obviously I live in Canada. But as you can see, it lists the types of consoles of the PlayStation 5, their status of if they're in stock or out of stock, and the price that they were last seen at. So this is a pretty damn dope website. Now on this monitor, what time is it right now actually? It's 8:59. So what I'm going to be doing essentially is I'm going to be clicking the link on here. Like for example, if I show you, if I want to cop something on Best Buy, it opens a link here, but I'm going to move it all the way over here. Boom, PlayStation 5, $499.99. It's not in stock right now. Sure, boy is going to be waiting at midnight. I mean, I just thought I'd flip the camera because there's no point in looking at the other side of the screen. I kind of found an angle I can use. I have a tripod for my phone, but I can't really find it, man. But essentially, bros, I'm gonna be taking you guys on the journey of me trying to cop the PlayStation 5. This is gonna be tough, bro. If you guys have not realized, well, this video is gonna be out when I have it, so it'll be a lot more accessible to people. But currently, the PlayStation is very hard to get, and I'm trying to cop one. I didn't even know I was gonna get a PlayStation until last night, and last night was the 10th, and the PlayStation comes out on the 12th. It's the 11th right now, so we're gonna see what we can do, man.
The next morning.
Alright, well fuck. I was online at 12 a.m. and apparently there was no fucking consoles out. So that's a little tough. It's currently 8:11 right now, man, and I'm waiting for Toys R Us and Shoppers try to fucking cop a PlayStation, man. I'm trying to buy this shit. For real though, man, if I don't get one, I'm gonna be a little butthurt. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I'm fucking tired of shit, so sorry if your boy looks a little, it's fucking 8:11, man. I'm supposed to be sleeping right now. I'd never be awake at this time, especially because I don't go to school. In a Shopper's waiting room. It says you are currently in the waiting room for online-only PS5 sale. Do not leave or refresh this page. You will automatically be redirected to make your purchase shortly. When you're redirected, you'll have limited time for the order. Didn't speak English, so I just wanted to get it done. Bro, I'm in a fucking waiting room. Does this actually mean I can secure one? But the problem is, I only see the normal PS5. Where the hell is the digital version? Because I'm only copying digital. Because imagine paying almost $200 more just for a fucking disc drive. Hell no. I also got Toys R Us open here because they're also supposed to be selling at... Fuck me, let me get this mic out of the way. They're also supposed to be selling at 9 a.m. I was watching some Dragon Ball Z. So, I'll update you guys when I make the order, if I can.
Several days later.
Boys. We managed to cop a PlayStation, man. Alright, so, I know, different setting, different clothing. I'm not wearing the shirt I was in the last video, but bro. It's November 16th right now. 4 days have passed since I tried to get the PlayStation, and... man, let me just show you. Guys, we managed to get a PlayStation 5. I'm not putting the camera down because I don't want you to see the order number for obvious reasons. I ended up getting the disc version. Because the digital one sold out very quick. So there was nowhere for me to actually get it. Man, so I just said, fuck it. I'm gonna spend the extra guap and buy the disc version, man. So it said it should be coming in tomorrow. It's Monday right now. It's the 16th. So I'll cut to when the PlayStation should arrive.
Tomorrow.
All right, now we're in a different outfit. It's a different day. You know what that means, man. The PS5's fucking here. I'm looking this way, but the camera's actually this way. It's about 11 right now, man. I was sleeping in. My sister called me, and she's like, bro, go get it. It's at the door. And then your boy ran down there. I didn't even have time to put on pants, bro. I went in my underwear. Here it is, though. This is the beauty, man. Oh, my God. It even says, what is this? PS5 Master? Are they trying to tell me I'm the PS5 Master? Okay. All right, now this is probably the best camera angle I could get. I'm doing this on my bed, bro, so you gotta deal with that. Now, I don't claim to be an unboxing channel whatsoever in the slightest. But one thing I can tell you is when you're using these sharp objects, you always want to do it away from you. Because what's to say, if you were to do this, you get a little snip here, man. We don't want that, you know what I'm saying? So always do it away from you. Oh, you see that? Away from you. That is how you unbox. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh! Oh, I opened it the wrong way. Hey, yo. I opened it the wrong way, but bro, seeing this box in real life, bro, it hits different. It really hits different. Well, let's continue the unboxing. All right, a little bit of a new angle because I'm never gonna be able to find that angle again. Oh shit, did I break the box? No, I did. Okay, all right, yo, boys. Flip it like the pizza. There you go. There you go. There you. Oh no, that is filthy. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, baby, it's just so beautiful. Okay, let me stop. Hey, let me stop. All right, y'all. I know the lighting ain't the best, but this is what the front looks like. That's what the sides got. We already showed you the back. That's what this other side looks like. That's what the top looks like. And here's what the bottom looks like, man. We gotta just go ahead and open it now. Remember, people, away from yourself. Cheeky tip. Oh my God. It's a box within a box. I'm just gonna do this part one-handed. Fuck, man, my bandages are falling off. Just excuse the bandages, all right. They're clearly not nice, but we're gonna need to ignore that. Oh my Lanta. Oh, can I do this with one hand? Can I do this with one hand? Oh shit! I don't think I can do this with one hand. Oh shit! Just fall out. Get the actual console out and its other compartments, obviously. So okay, what is this? There's obviously the quick start guide. All consoles and shit have that, but let's be real. Been a PlayStation fan for too long. They can't switch up on me. I don't need those instructions. Okay, this is the actual stand that comes with the console for you to stand it up either horizontally or vertically. Okay, the power adapter. Okay, we got the little plug. That's fire. That's fire. Oh, it's the controller. Hold on. All right, y'all. Don't mind the back. Oh my, bro, this controller looks insane. Oh shit! Get a load of this, babe. Sony, well fucking done. We don't need to use these anymore, bro. We got these. Oh my God. All right, well, with my dumbass admiring the controller so much, I dropped my fucking speaker. Turned it on, it's all right, but the fucking charger was in it. So I fucking broke the charger. The little micro USB thing came out. Fuck. All right, now we got the controller out of the way, got the stand, got the power cable. They got their own HDMI cable. That's fire. That's dope. And lastly, I believe we've got the charging cable, the USB-C that you use for the controller. Now next, boys, we've got the fucking console itself. Oh my God, this thing is diesel. Oh my God, this thing is huge. Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh. Yo, it's not even fully white. It's like a different material. Oh shit, let me get that out of the way. Yo, this is heavy. Yo, let me find out. This is nice for the curlsies. Let me find. Okay, enough of that. So this is what the PS5 looks like, man. Y'all have already seen it, obviously, but I'm just showcasing it off. I actually got the disc version because the digital one sold out. You know what I mean? So it's a little tough. As y'all can see, this is my setup. It's currently it's not powered on right now, but I got my PS4 Pro here. Fucking micro USB that I broke, but my speakers here. So this is where I'm gonna be putting the PlayStation 5. So I'll cut to when my PlayStation 5 is set up here. All right, y'all, we got the setup. PlayStation 5 controller, the charger. Man, we got the PlayStation 5. I put it up in the vertical mount. The horizontal mount was what I was going for at the start, but I just didn't fuck with the way it looked. Yeah, I actually added some new things to my setup, guys. There's speakers, there's a keyboard there for no reason. I just have it. And then I got my stuff right here with my computer right there, man. So let us start the PlayStation 5 experience. One thing I can say for sure is this controller is a lot heavier than the PlayStation 4. I don't know about a lot. Actually, I don't know. When I first grasped this with two hands, it feels heavier than this with two hands. Oh, 100% this is heavier. 100%. This has to be heavier. I just gotta click the power button and see what happens. Boom. The light's turned on. You can't really tell because I'm in a blue light, but you can see the light there. Oh shit! It's supposed to change on this monitor. Unless you know, I'm just gonna change the input on my own. Woo! You know what's tough? I'm so butthurt. I just missed the fucking startup screen of this thing. That only happens once. Shit! God damn it! I'm pissed. Oh my god, I'm pissed. It's a white light now, but I'm pissed. It's okay, I've seen it a lot, but I wish I could have experienced it for myself. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video, man. I just want to show you me getting the PlayStation 5. I mean, it's here, bro. I'm about to go run Spider-Man Miles Morales. Man, make sure to like, subscribe if you're new. Comment down below any other videos you want to make. I'll see you guys later.